I'm sharing a video of iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Pro Max leather case unboxing and sharing a little bit of first impressions. Getting straight into it, just gonna rip open this box. The sides are incredibly shiny. As you can see, the sides are incredibly flat as well. So let's put the phone down and look at some of the packaging material in there. So USB-C to lightning cable, no charging brick as you can tell, and also very light on the material that they provide, including very thin guide, one sticker, and that SIM card tray ejector. I'm not a huge fan of getting my phone scratched, so here is a screen protector. I'm hearing from all the other reviews that the glass scratches quite easily, so I don't want to really risk that. Now let's reveal the screen. Now the screen is totally clean. I'm going to put the glass screen protector on really quickly so I don't get any dust on there. Now another look at the sides. Let's now grab the leather case and see how it fits. Packaging for the leather case is also quite minimal. You can see that there's a groove for MagSafe. With a little bit of force, the phone gets into the case relatively easily. This is what the iPhone looks like with the case on. Now that the phone's on, the setup starts, which I'll skip a little bit of. You can now see iPhone 11 Pro next to iPhone 12 Pro Max for size. And you can see the screen real estate difference here as well. Sharing my first few impressions of iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's big and the screen is beautiful. It's flat compared to 11 Pro Max, so it doesn't taper off the sides, which means actually it feels more immersive to look at the screen. So if you like watching stuff or reading on your phone, you're gonna love that screen. In terms of the leather case, it is classy and it's beautiful and it doesn't add too much bulk, so I'm going to keep it on. I hear that it patinas nicely as well, so I'm looking to see how it ages over time. So that concludes the unboxing and first impressions video of iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you next time.